Hey everyone, it's Rita. I have a quick, simple DIY for you today. I'll be making some apothecary jars. I'm not going to decorate them because I really don't have any filler at the moment, but you'll see how they're made, so let's get right to it. Okay, so I'm starting with 3 different sizes of vases and jars from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using the tops off one for this vase. This one, it comes with that top originally. I do have another one that I'm taking the top off to use for the tall vase. And I'm using these candle holders that I had picked up earlier this year. I'm also using a smaller container as well. And now I'm going to run out and spray paint the tops and the candle holders black. Okay, now I've spray painted them. And you'll notice on these glass tops, there was a ring around them, the plastic ring, the sealing ring, I guess you would call it. I removed that, and it does fit with it, but I just thought it looked better without it. I will be using the gel super glue, and I did get too much on the bottom of the vases. You really only need it around the rim. But what I'm showing you here is this glass window cleaner from Dollar Tree. When you peel your label off, if you have that sticky glue on there, if you will spray that on there and let it set just a few seconds, it will wipe right off, guys. Try it. It works wonderfully. So now I'm going to use the super glue gel and glue these to the candle holders. And right now I'm just positioning them, but as I was saying about the super glue gel, I got it like too far in, I guess you would say. It really needs to just be around the edge and a smooth layer of it. And on the first two I put quite a bit and it wasn't touching, so it'll be okay because you'll have stuff in there and you won't be able to see it. But just so you know, you just need to put it around the edge and smooth it out. And that one I did get too much on. And of course the very last one, I finally figured it out. And here's the one I got smart with. I used way too much super glue. I used the whole tube. And here's how they look, guys. I think they turned out super cute. I know a lot of them you see, they leave the tops clear and they use the clear candle holders, but I thought these would be cute painted black. And that small one over there, I think I do need to touch up the black paint on it. It doesn't look like it is as dark as the other two. But all in all, I think they turned out great, and when you get something in them, they'll be really cute. And these would be great for Halloween also, as they have the black. You could decorate them. You can actually decorate them for any time of year. But I was just showing you there the super glue that you can see through the bottom of that tall vase. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Hope it gives you inspiration to make some apothecary jars for yourself. And this was a total of $6 for 3 apothecary jars. Thank you so much for watching tonight. If you're a subscriber, thanks for your support. If not, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'd love to have you join. As always, guys, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in my next video.